Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, we're going to go over the 2022 Toyota Camry exterior colors. Before we do, however, I just want to remind you that if you find this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, before we get started, I want to remind you to take a look at my 2021 Toyota Camry XSE V6 build and price video. I've put the link to that video in the description below. Okay, so let's check out the exterior colors for the 2022 Toyota Camry. There are 13 exterior colors, and before we get started, it's important to understand that not every color is available on every model. So the colors do vary by model, but we're going to go through all 13 colors. So this color here is Cavalry Blue with the midnight black metallic roof and rear spoiler, Blueprint, Ruby Flare, Midnight Black, Super White, Wind Chill, Celestial Silver, Pre-Dawn Gray Mica, Ice Edge, Supersonic Red with the midnight black metallic roof and rear spoiler, Wind Chill Pearl with the midnight black metallic roof and rear spoiler, and Celestial Silver with the midnight black metallic roof and rear spoiler. Okay, so that was all 13 colors of the 2022 Toyota Camry. What was your favorite color? I'll let you know what mine is. We'll go ahead and select my favorite color, and then we'll go ahead and drag and rotate and do a little 360 of the Camry, and then we'll wrap it up. Maybe I just like the raciest versions of cars, but this is clearly the Toyota Camry TRD. We can tell by the size of the wing here. This Cavalry Blue with the midnight black metallic roof and rear spoiler. I like it. I see these cars I see a few of them going down the road, and it's a good looking car. So on that note, yep, these are all the colors. We'll go ahead and wrap this video up. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.